1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet.
You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all transports hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen him?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast him!
Shields are bottom. Where are we going? This is madness! Arthur, don't you dare make the jump to light speed! Now what? Pod race! I always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him! We've snagged a pod racer, which gives us twice the power! We won! Now have a pod and let's get out of here! Watch out! What transmission?
This is Cassianato with an urgent mission from the rebellion. With each day, the Empire grows more and more powerful. We need your help right now to fight back.
Right now? But we...
Head to the coordinates and transmit it to you. Together we can win this. I'm counting on you.
Wait! We're just tourists! Shields are bottom! I wasn't programmed for this! Buzz droids! Arthur, get them off before they rip us apart! They severed the controls! Pull up! Arthur, pull up! Well done, Arthur! Are you sure this is the right way? They're not going the wrong way! We are, you nitwit! Look, Otto, a platform! Let's land there! Thank the maker!
Welcome, Star Tours. I trust our colleague is safe?
Safe? Have you any idea what we've been through?
We are on your deck, Captain.
Captain, glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. Oh, and thank you for flying Star Tours.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Goodbye.